Comment ça va? La vidéo d'aujourd'hui concerne Pierre Gasly. Hein? Cela est étrange. Je ne parle pas français. Pierre Gasly has left the Red Bull family to join his countrymen at Renault. In an interview, he had a few very interesting things to say about the expectations of Alpine in the near future. If you enjoy this content, please like this video to help it spread. I'm Wimbo with another F1 news video. When he was asked how he was going to help Alpine achieve their goals, he said the following. I think it's not about bringing something which is new. It's just implementing and coming up with my freshness, my speed, my youth, my motivation and dedication. I'll try to bring the discipline that I put myself under on a daily basis with training, getting myself prepared as I can, and this mentality to the team which they already have from what I've seen. He went on to explain that the team doesn't need to make any real big changes, but it's about showing he is committed to stay there to reach their goals. I suppose this is said in reaction to the large number of people that have started at Alpine or Renault and left. From Ricciardo to Alonso to Piastri, you can conclude that those drivers didn't stick around long enough to see any real success. He went on to explain that Otmar Shafnauer, Laurent Rossi and Alain Permet said it was just a matter of time before Alpine catches up with the three frontrunners Red Bull, Ferrari and Mercedes. When asked how realistic this prospect was, he said, "There's no magic answer to that question. Obviously the target for everyone here is to close that gap and be able to fight weekend after weekend for podiums and wins. How much we're going to be able to close that gap over one winter is extremely hard to say, because it depends on what others have been doing. I think as long as we don't put the car on track, we can't really understand whether the gap is closer or bigger. Or we might even be faster than some of them. But for sure, the most important thing is the attitude and work ethic. And so far I've been really impressed. I have no doubt that this will drive us to the top at some point." He finishes the conversation by explaining that a few podiums this season would make 2023 a successful season. The goal is to be fourth in the constructors again in a more dominant fashion. So what do you think about Alpine's chances? Let me know in the comments. Who will come out on top in the team battle? Gasly or Ocon? Answer my poll on the community page. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care now. Au revoir.